Welcome to the Fundamentals 3 course.
We're going to cover advanced commands, advanced SPLs. They're going to get a little bit lengty. We'll cover append pipe, and field summary command. We're only going to have a little bit of PowerPoints in here, I swear. We're going to get into a little bit of regular expressions to help our SPLs out, get into some backend configuration with our comp files, our configuration files, going into prompts.conf and making changes to data during ingest. Going to go over some data masking here with the sed command and how to invoke regular expressions to mask your data. We're also going to cover acceleration in Splunk. The best way to do that is going to be through data model acceleration, but we're also going to cover summary indexing, and we're going to cover report acceleration. We're going to cover all three in this course. We're going to leverage t-stats against data models, build out those searches, and make our searches as fast and as efficient as possible. We're also going to cover JSON and XML because it comes up a lot in Splunk. Splunk relies heavily on XML to build your dashboards, and JSON is going to be a source type that you're going to work with throughout your Splunk career. So I took a moment to go through the difference of JSON and XML and how to leverage the spath command and the multi-KV command to get those fields out of data that just isn't structured exactly how you want it to be. We're also going to be leveraging the REST command. We're going to build a lot of great internal searches off our REST command, review some of the logs that are available internally in var log Splunk, check out introspection, audit, internal, metrics, and we're going to leverage the internal index to build out some informational searches built from our internal indexes that are already readily available for you in Splunk.